Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to withdraw your balance using Wise. I suggest you launch the app, come at the bottom and click on card. And if you don't have a Wise card, order the physical card so that you can go ahead and use that to withdraw money at any ATM. Okay, so you can withdraw your balance. So you just scroll down here and you tap on manage payment methods. And then here, make sure ATM withdrawals is toggled on so you can actually withdraw your balance physically. And then you can scroll down here where you see account services, right? You'll scroll down, you'll see your spending limits, tap on that, tap on ATM withdrawals, and make sure you have a reasonable amount of limit that is available for you. If not, you change the maximum amount so you can actually withdraw that amount, right? Then you can tap here on ATM fees as well, and you can see your monthly free withdrawals that they give you. Really that easy though. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.